KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
We're here with Anthony of Audio Video Solutions out of Iowa, one KeyDigital integrator that has used our multi-viewer to really deliver a superior interactive collaborative experience for his end user. And we'd like Anthony to tell us a little bit about that application. Anthony, who is your client?
The client in this case was Dyersville, Iowa's public library.
Public library, awesome.
They had a meeting space that's used by their city council and free to the community so that people can come in and use that resource. So they approached us to replace an old system that another integrator who had gone out of business no longer supported. And we wanted to offer HDMI switching, and we wanted to offer something that was simple to use. So KeyDigital was our way to go.
Nice. So Anthony, one thing that's cool about the multi-viewer, of course, is we could do full screen switching, which will be seamless. Here we are, source 1, source 2, source 3, source 4, and we could even do breaking it into quadrants or custom layouts. Are they using all of this capability, or?
So far, they have started using it. They didn't think they were going to, but they have started to use it, especially when they have presenters that come in that want to do interactive presentations with multiple formats, showing videos, showing a DVD, showing a YouTube video, what have you, at the same time having PowerPoint and a document camera there to show hard copy. So by doing this, they were able to see that everything was working all at once.
Yes.
And it was able to make that switch cleanly and quickly, which was the most important thing, because most people aren't comfortable with technology.
Yeah.
And we want to make sure that they know that it's working.
That's awesome. Sounds like you did a great job with that, so thank you very much, Anthony. We're glad that your user experience is really good, really simplistic, and we know that for future applications, you're also going to do a fantastic job. So Anthony, thanks very much for the support.
Thank you. We appreciate it.